What really matters in life? Have you thought about what is truly important in your life? Money, diligence, or purpose? How we set ourselves up to create a life well lived versus a life half lived is often more about the regrets we have over the things we failed to do rather than the things we actually did. We regret more not becoming our ideal selves or the person we truly wanted to be. We regret living an unfulfilled life. We regret living in fear and not having the courage to focus on the things and people that truly matter most. My dear friends, welcome to our Tuesday's live video series. This is Cynthia Concordia from Dream to Rise. So, what really matters in life? Is it money, diligence, or purpose? You know what? In today's digital world, many of us are thrown by social status, materialistic items, and luxuries. And how can you blame us? We're constantly being shown that the image of perfection includes these things in social media and reality TV shows highlighting the elite. I often hear other people say, if I only have the money, then I'll be happy. Even though you have all the money in this world, but if you are not diligent and no purpose in life on how to use that money, then it's useless. I have heard a lot of celebrities who are not happy in life despite their luxurious life. They have a lot of money, but most of them are into drugs, alcohol, and are not finding the real meaning of life. Why do you think so? I believe it's about the absence of purpose. There are a lot of people who work so hard, stay up late to finish a project, getting sick because they don't have the time to relax and rest. And you know what? Back home in the Philippines, I could see construction workers who work all day long. How come they are still struggling with their money? And a lot of public transportation drivers, like jeepney drivers or tricycle drivers, they would wake up early in the morning so they can get more passengers and earn more. When you ask them if they are happy and fulfilled with their lives, they would say they are not happy. They feel miserable and tired. There comes a point in their life that they would like to give up, but they have no way out. They have their families to feed, children to send to school, bills to pay, health issues to take care of, relationships to fix, demands from family members, and a lot of things. Diligence then is not enough. It is not enough to have all the money despite being diligent. So, prioritize your dream. Prioritize to have a meaningful purpose in your life. If you have a purpose in life, you will always be on fire. You will always be motivated to go and work on your dream. Even though you don't have the money you need at the moment, don't worry. This will just show up. Why? Because you are working out of a purpose. We are all given by God that spark of light. And that is your gift. And most of the time, we just keep that light to ourselves. We just position that light in a room. Why not position it at the lamppost so those who are traveling in the dark may be guided by your light as they move towards their destination, and that's their dream. So why would you hide it? Maybe it is because there is that lack of purpose. When you have the right purpose, even though you experience a lot of challenges, failures, you will always get good results. But if your purpose is missing, even though you're doing the right thing, what would be the result? Nothing. You know what? Rick Warren's book, A Purpose-Driven Life, reminds us of why we are here on earth. How come we are still here on earth? Why are we created by God? We are here to give glory to God. You will never go wrong in life. Life is not wasted if you try to fulfill your purpose. How can I give glory to God? Through my relationships, actions, words, dealings with others. This gives Him and us true happiness while we glorify Him. If you continue doing this, you will never experience any weakness in your life. God will always be there to fulfill your needs so you may continue living your purpose. It is not only focusing on ourselves, but focusing also on God's plan for us to help others live the life they love. So before you run after money and work hard, discover your purpose and everything will fall into place. Experiencing real happiness and very fulfilling life should always come from your purpose. And when you glorify God, that means love is present. Share your light and love so others may do the same. Let us create this ripple effect so peace, love, kindness, and compassion may be present here on earth. May I ask you, have you discovered your purpose? If not, why? Let me help you. Just send me a DM and I will connect with you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for tuning in. Again, this is Cynthia Concordia from Dream to Rise.